Okay students, last class we discussed about the introduction for solution. Okay, this class we are going to discuss about what is the main component present in the solution, or how can we want to make the solution. Here we have to use two characters. If we want to prepare any solution, need two characters. What is the two character? One is a solute, another one is a solvent. The two characters, it is important to form a solution. So what is the meaning for solute? What is the meaning for solvent? Solute, what is the meaning solute? Minimum amount of the particles is present in the solution or lesser amount. Minimum amount or lesser amount. That is the meaning for solute. What is the meaning? Minimum amount of the particles is present in the solution or lesser amount. That is called a solute. What is the meaning for solvent? Maximum amount of the particles is present in the solution. Maximum amount or larger amount. Both are same. Solute means minimum amount. Solvent means maximum amount. Don't confuse. Solute means minimum amount. Solvent means maximum amount. Then how can we want to prepare the solution? Here we use one formula. What is the formula? This is a formula. Solute plus solvent to form solution. Solute add solvent to form solution. This is a formula. We are using this formula. We have to prepare any solution. So okay, what is the next example? Which one is so if for example teachers, they will given one solution to you, and also they will measure, this is a 10 gram, this is a 100 gram. Then how can we want to find out which one is a solute, which one is a solvent? Okay, first this is a one example. First, this is a one solution. So how can this solution prepared? 100 gram of water and add 10 gram of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means salt, cooking salt. So we have to add these two character. We can get one solution. Okay, teachers, they will ask which one is a solute, which one is a solvent. What is the meaning for solute and solvent? What is the meaning for solute? Minimum amount of the particles is present in the solution. Okay, listen here. Which one is a minimum amount? 10 gram or 100 gram? 10 gram. 10 gram is a minimum amount. So 10 gram is a lesser amount or minimum amount. So which one is a solute? Minimum amount of the particles, it is called a solute. So here 100 gram of water. 100 gram, compare them to, this is a large amount or maximum amount. So maximum amount, what is the meaning? What is the solvent meaning? Maximum amount of the particles is present in the solution. That is the meaning for solvent. So look at here, compare them to 10 gram and 100 gram. 100 gram is a maximum amount. So this is a solvent. So compare this to 10 gram sodium chloride is a lesser amount. Then 100 gram of water is a larger amount. So here 10 gram of sodium chloride is a solute or act as a solute. 100 gram of water act as a solvent. Do you understand or not? Okay, another one example. This is a one type of solution. Here, how can we want to prepare this solution? 10 gram of sodium chloride add with 100 gram of sodium chloride add with 10 gram of water. So compare these two. Which one is a largest amount? Which one is a lesser amount? 100 gram of sodium chloride. So 100 gram of sodium chloride is act as a solvent. 100 gram maximum amount solvent. So here 10 gram of water, minimum amount. So minimum amount, it is called a water. Minimum amount, it is called a solute. Do you understand or not? Don't forget and don't confuse. Only one meaning. Solute and solvent. Solute, minimum amount of the particle. Solvent, maximum amount of the particle. So here, maximum amount, 100 gram of sodium chloride, maximum amount. So maximum amount act as a solvent. 10 gram of water, minimum amount. Minimum amount act as a solute. Okay, this is the meaning for solute and solvent. These two main character present in the solution. Okay, next, dissolution. Dissolution, what is the meaning? Uniform distribution of solute into solvent. Uniform distribution or completely dissolved with solvent. Okay, for example, first we have to take one beaker, then we have to pour some amount of water. The next, we have to add 2 drops of red ink. You have to imagine, first we have to choose one glass. Already we poured some amount of water. Then next we have to add 2 drops of red ink. So here, which one is a solute, which one is a solvent? Maximum amount. Water is a maximum amount. So water acts as a solvent. Red ink, only 2 drops. 2 drops means minimum amount. So minimum amount acts as a solute. So here, after added the 2 drops, it will completely distribute with water or completely mixed with water. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா, ஒரு டம்ளர் எடுத்துகிட்டு கொஞ்சம் வாட்டர் ஆட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஒரு 2 drops வந்து ரெட் இங்க் ஆட் பண்ணுறோம். இப்போ ஆட் பண்ண உடனே நம்மளுக்கு அந்த ரெட் இங்க் அப்படி ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிடும். வாட்டர் ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிடும். அப்போ வாட்டர் ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிடுச்சு. அந்த கிளாஸ் வந்து இப்படி கொஞ்சம் லாங்கில் வச்சு நம்ம பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? ஃபுல்லாக ரெட் இங்காக இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியும். தட் இஸ் அ மீனிங் ஃபார் dissolution. So the solute, uniformly distribution of solute into solvent or completely dissolved of solute into solvent. That is a meaning for dissolution.